Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Dennis. In our today's topic of discussion, we are going to look at fractions. So under fractions, we are going to look at how to arrange the fractions from the smallest to the largest. So it's very important for us to understand some terms used in this kind of arrangement. So we have the first term is ascending. Ascending simply means from the smallest to the largest. Then we have descending order. So descending order is the vice versa of ascending order, which means we arrange from the largest coming back to the smallest. So in today's lesson, we are going to look both ascending and descending order. So when we are asked to arrange in ascending order, it simply means you arrange starting from the smallest going to the largest. And if you are told to arrange in a descending order, you start from the biggest fraction going back to the smallest fraction. So I have an example to just guide us on how to work out arranging in ascending order. So the question is, arrange the following fractions from the smallest to the largest. So the fractions given here are a third, 2/5, and 7/9. So in this case, they want us to arrange from ascending order. And remember, I said ascending order, we are going to arrange from smallest fraction going to the largest fraction. So you identify the denominators in this particular fraction given. So the denominators are simply the numbers at the lower side of each fraction. So in this case, our denominators are 3, 5, and 9. So what are we going to do is use denominators. We are simply going to get the LCM of the denominators. So we get the LCM of 3, LCM of 5, and LCM of 9. So in our case, we are going to get, put here 3, 1, 5, 3. Then 3 again, 1, 5, 1. 5, 1, 1, 1. So our LCM of the denominators is going to be 3 multiplied by 3 times 5, and we get our answer as 45. Once we have got our LCM, so it is very simple. We are simply going to take each fraction and we multiply it by the common LCM for all these fractions. So it's going to be 1 over 3 multiplied by the LCM, which is 45. So this is 3, 1. 3 goes into 45 15 times. So we are going to get 15. We move on to the next fraction, is 2 over 5. We shall have 2 over 5, 2 over 5 multiplied by the LCM, which is 45. By 5 here 1, by 5 here 9. So 9 multiplied by 2, we are going to get 18. The last fraction is 7 over 9. 7 over 9 times 45. 9 here 1, 9 here 5. So 5 times 7 is going to give us 35. Once you have simplified each fraction, we now compare the result. So the result in our first fraction was 15, second fraction was 18, third fraction was 35. Now you compare the results. So which one is the smallest number? So you realize that between 18, 15, and 35, the smallest number is 15. Once we're done with that, so we start from the smallest number. So 15 is represented by a third. So we are going to write a third as our smallest fraction. Then we move on to the second smallest number, which is 18. So 18 is represented by 2 over 5. So we move on to 2 over 5. Then lastly, the greatest number obtained here is 35, which represents 7 over 9. So our largest number is 7 over 9. By so doing, we have arranged from the smallest to the largest. What about if they want us to arrange in a descending order? We are also still simple. We are still going to use the same approach, but now in this case, we shall now do the vice versa. So the largest fraction to start, followed by the smallest. So we shall have in a descending order, it should be 7 over 9, 2 over 5, then lastly the smallest is 1 over 3. That's how we are able to work out the arrangement of fractions both in ascending and descending order. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to watch the video, and also remember to press the notification button, and lastly, remember to share. Thank you, and follow up for more videos in our next lesson. Thanks for watching. I'm called Teacher Dennis.